In this video, I'll be showing you how to raise a customer invoice. You go to Business, Invoices. I'll go through each of these tabs. Firstly, the first tab shows you all the invoices that you have ever raised, those that are outstanding to be paid and also those that have been paid. Draft tab shows any draft invoices you've prepared but haven't finalized yet. Awaiting approval tab shows those invoices that you've raised and you're waiting for an approval from a manager or some other appropriate person before you send it to the client. Awaiting payment is such that invoices that are waiting to be paid. Paid is just all the invoices that have been paid. And repeating. Repeating invoices is where you have invoices, for example, each month, each week with the same charge to the same customer. Xero can automatically raise this invoice for you each month. First, I'll show you how to raise an invoice. You click on New Invoice. So you fill in the details, for example, your client, the date that you're raising the invoice, then the due date. The due date, you can go plus 7 days, and it'll automatically calculate the date that it's due. Any reference numbers, for example, if you've received a purchase order from the client, can go there. Then you can put in a description. In this case, we're going to say monthly support, quantity 1, $800, and it goes to your sales account or whatever appropriate account you need. Then your GST. You'll have to choose here whether it is GST on income or if it's GST free. A region, if you've got regions set up in your company. The other thing you need to be aware of is that this invoice is set to amounts are tax exclusive. So just be aware, if you want that 800 to be tax inclusive, you can just change it there. Then you can save. You can save your invoice as a draft, or save and continue editing, save and submit for approval, and so forth. In this case, we will go to save as draft so that we can work through it. So under the draft tab, you'll now see it sitting there. So the appropriate person or yourself can go in, review the invoice, and you can go approve. Once you've approved it, you can print to PDF or you can email it directly to the customer. So in this case, we've got the email address. We've got an email there saying that yes, this is your invoice. You can tick this box to include the PDF and then you can send. So that emails the invoice directly to the customer and you'll get that green tick. And that's how you raise an invoice.